For transferring USDT from your OKX wallet to Binance, security and a step-by-step process are crucial. Here's a detailed solution with explanations of all relevant terms and situations. I hope this video helps for you. In summary: 1. Copy your Binance USDT deposit address. 2. Match the network, ERC20, TRC20, or BEP20, on both Binance and OKX. 3. Transfer USDT from OKX to Binance, testing with a small amount first. 4. Verify the transaction and check your Binance wallet balance. Let me know if you need help with any specific step. 1. Verify your wallets. Ensure that your OKX wallet contains USDT and is functional. 1. OKX wallet. USDT, Tether, a stablecoin pegged to USD, often used for trading and transferring between exchanges. Ensure the correct blockchain network is selected, e.g., Ethereum, ERC20, Tron, TRC20, etc., as sending USDT to the wrong network can result in loss of funds. Verify your Binance account is active, secure, and supports USDT deposits. 2. Binance account. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, for added security. 2. Understand blockchain networks. Networks supported by USDT. USDT can exist on multiple blockchain networks, such as ERC20, Ethereum, high security but higher fees. TRC20, Tron, low fees and fast transactions. BEP20, Binance Smart Chain, low fees, commonly used on Binance. Ensure you choose the same network for withdrawal, OKX, and deposit, Binance. 3. Export private data securely. Your seed phrase, mistake turkey blossom warfare, is like the master key to your wallet. Never share it with anyone or store it in an unsecured location. 1. Seed phrase. Only use the seed phrase if you are importing your wallet into another platform or recovering it. If your OKX wallet is functional, there's no need to use the seed phrase. Never share your seed phrase with anyone online or offline. Legitimate platforms will never ask for it. 4. Check Binance deposit details. 1. Log in to Binance. 2. Navigate to wallet, fiat and spot. 3. Search for USDT and click deposit. 4. Select the correct network, ERC20, TRC20, or BEP20. Copy the deposit address displayed. 5. Withdraw USDT from OKX. 1. Log in to OKX wallet. Access the app or web version. 2. Navigate to your USDT balance and click withdraw. 3. Paste the Binance deposit address you copied earlier. 4. Select the network, must match the Binance deposit network. Example: if you select TRC20 on Binance, you must also select TRC20 on OKX. 5. Enter the amount of USDT you wish to transfer and confirm. 6. Confirm transaction. 1. OKX will process the withdrawal, and you'll receive a transaction ID, TXID. You can use this TXID to track the transaction on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan, for ERC20, or TronScan, for TRC20. 7. Wait for confirmation. 1. USDT transfers usually take a few minutes but may vary depending on network congestion. TRC20 is faster and cheaper than ERC20. You'll see the USDT in your Binance wallet once the transaction is confirmed. 8. Test with a small amount. 1. Before transferring the entire balance, test with a small amount of USDT to ensure everything works correctly. 1. This avoids significant losses if something goes wrong. 9. Double-check fees. 1. Both OKX and the blockchain network charge withdrawal fees. Example: TRC20 fees are typically $1 or less, while ERC20 fees can range from $5 to $20 plus depending on gas prices. 10. Manage security risks. 1. Avoid using public Wi-Fi when accessing wallets. 2. Use strong passwords and enable 2FA on both OKX and Binance. 3. Backup your seed phrase in a safe, offline location, e.g., a physical notebook stored securely. For more know about them, you comment on videos. Thank you for watching for this video and giving me your feedback. Please make sure this is risky or not for you. Think about your data before do anything. Thank you from Sonu Sharma.